So you clicked on this video to find the fastest way to make money online. Well, actually in this video we're going to be talking about why that is the last thing you should be looking for. And good things do take time, and I'm going to tell you why making money online shouldn't just be a fast, instant process. And if it is, I'm going to tell you why that is and why you still want to stay away from it. Okay, so disclaimer right now, making money online in any sensible way that you're making value for someone, you're creating a product, a service, or something, you're creating value for another person to get money back or compensation in some way, you are going to have to put in a lot of time and effort. And especially when you're making money online, things need time to compound, meaning work you do today and tomorrow might not be really directly paid to you in the next week, month, or few months. Maybe not even a year. Depends what you're doing. But most things, they do compound quite quickly on the internet, and you can have many ways of compounding your efforts, like a YouTube channel with 100 videos. Every video more compounds onto your channel. Something like that is a compounding effect. But getting to 100 videos, as you might think, would take a lot of time. So when you're making money online, there's a lot of channels out there, and even myself have done it before, where you clickbait someone in to a catchy title that seems, oh, this is going to be easy, because that's what people want. People want easy, but it's never that easy. And if it's super fast, and it actually happens fast, 99 times out of 100 times, it's going to be you getting rich off, or you making money, a quick profit off of someone else's expense. You're not creating something for them. You're not giving them a service. A lot of these times, you're getting rich at someone else's expense by some kind of schemery or tomfoolery of some sort, and that's not what you want. Not only is this, just not sustainable when you're not actually creating something, you are taking from someone instead of giving and receiving. It's just not ethical. In almost every case, it's not ethical. You can try to tell me a case where it is ethical, but 9 times out of 10, sorry, 99,999,999,900 million times out of 100 million or whatever, it's not going to be an ethical process if it's done super easy and super quick. If it's a get rich quick, it's always someone else getting rich off of you when you're in that 99 times out of 100 million or whatever, right? But you can still get, be successful fast, right? You can compound faster in many areas, and the effort you put in will be the effort you get back a lot of the time, almost all the time. And this is where consistency comes in. This is where persistence comes in. This is when you have to decide, do I want to do this for the next year? Is it worth the results? And it probably is worth the results if you stick to it, but you don't know that yet. When you look back, you might say, what if I did this? What if I did that? But what if you just did it now? What if you didn't look back and you just started now and you stuck to a business model of making money online? There's so many ways you can make money online that are going to work, but the key here is sticking to it. If you don't stick to it, it's not going to work, okay? You need to have that time, that buffer of compounding effects. Especially when you're making money on the internet, you're going to be growing skills that are compounding on each other. You're going to be having products and services that are going to be going out there and making you money while you sleep that compound on each other. You're going to have a YouTube video, a YouTube channel that compounds every time you post a new one, all right? You're doing new work, things that aren't reflective of just the time you've put in, but the effort you've put in, and you're getting paid back in scale, or you will in a compounding kind of way. And if you don't know the power of compounding interest or compounding effects, if you double a penny every day for 30 days, at the end, you got $5 million. Now take that concept, instead of in pennies, put that into your YouTube videos. Put that into your views on a YouTube video, or whatever you try to make money online. Maybe you're making a YouTube channel. Maybe you are selling t-shirts online, right? Whatever you do, the more effort you put in, the more tweaks and changes you make to try to understand the people you're targeting and the people you're trying to entertain or give some value to, the better you're going to be able to make money online in a faster manner, not instant, not super quick, but faster manner. So I believe many people know this in the back of their heads or their hearts, that good things do take time, and anytime you're trying to get into something quick and easy, it's never going to be quick and easy. The people who are selling it as quick and easy, and really pushing that factor. Many people may say it's quick and easy to get you in, but if they're really pushing it, even after they have you in their content or on their course, if they're really pushing that quick and easy factor, I would run away. I would run away. Run as far as you can and go do something that's going to take time and effort, because the things that are quick and easy in life are almost never worth it, and you're going to be left unsatisfied, unfulfilled, and it's not going to be very fun when you find out that you still have 10 more months of work to do here and you expected it to be done in a week. Alright, so those kind of things that are quick and easy, you want to run away from. I want to run away from. Maybe you don't, but there's going to be a learning experience there too. You might go through this and you might realize it later after you've already been through these experiences, but things that are super easy or presented as super easy and super efficient, you're going to get all this money back or you're going to earn all this money, they oftentimes are not. Okay, so keep that in mind. Go ahead and pick something you actually like doing and you want to do for a little bit longer when you're making money online, whether it be a business model, creating custom t-shirts, or freelancing, right? So many different things and so many different ways to make money online. But pick one that you actually kind of enjoy doing, at least a little bit. Not every part's going to be super enjoyable, but find the one that you like the most. And honestly, for me, making YouTube videos, I really enjoy that. So that's what I've been doing, and I just like talking on the camera. I just like putting out content, seeing people's comments. It makes me happy, it makes me smile, and it's very fun, entertaining. I like editing videos. It's kind of a nice, relaxing process. And I like also selling t-shirts on the internet. It's pretty fun. I get to design some shirts and oftentimes things that I like. Not always, because that's not always what's going to sell, but I just take a little bit of time out of my day and make some t-shirts, make some money online, right? And it's not something that I dread. You don't want to be something that you dread. Some days you might have to push through a little bit of dread, but most of the time it should not be super dreadful. And if it is super dreadful, maybe you should, pause the video and go find something else. Or maybe you should just stick with it to see what happens, right? If it's bearable and you actually kind of enjoy it a little bit, especially, definitely just keep on with it. See where you can take it. Worst comes to worst, you gained a new skill and you can transfer that probably to other areas of your life if things don't work out. And there's always going to be new opportunities coming around with the internet. And there's so many different ways you can make money online. Once again, so many ways. I have videos on many ways of making money online, many ideas, but there's so many videos out there with tons of ideas that you go and look at, and obviously I have my main specific ones that I do, so I'm going to be biased towards those methods because I'm the most knowledgeable about those compared to all these other random methods, and there's things that I like more about these methods. That's why I've settled down with them and picked those methods to make money online. But you may have a completely different skill set. You may have a completely different situation, and you might want to go with something else that is not what I'm doing. Okay, so consider that. Look at all the things and try to get good analyses, whatever, you know what I mean. Try to get a good feel for each online business. That way you can actually see what's going to suit you best, and you're going to have the most fun, maybe not fun, you're going to have the best time in one of these fields that you pick yourself, rather than just someone pushing a model in your face and you just going with it, of making money online, that is. So that's the whole video. There's no super fast way to make money online, at least that I'm not aware of, that isn't somewhat unethical, okay? So that's just my 2 thoughts on it. Good things do take time, and if something is to happen like that, it's probably a blow-up effect of a compounding skill that someone's building up, or something like that. Someone has a lot of skill in an area, they're not making any money in it, and maybe they go boom. For example, a software engineer, they could be at school, get a job, and their income goes from like $0 to $100,000 because they're really proficient. But this is rare, it doesn't happen all the time, and it still took time and effort to get to that boom. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's been your friend Jack, and I'll see you guys in the next freaking video. Peace out, keep striving, stay blessed.